Energy costs and temperatures are rising, and Snellville Heating and Air can help.
Our NATE certified technicians provide service and replacement of all major systems. Right now, get a tax credit of 30% up to $1,500 off certain energy efficient heating and air conditioning systems. Save big on your energy bill while improving your indoor air quality and the environment.
These tax credits are only offered for a limited time, so now is the perfect time to upgrade.
Learn more at SnellAir.com or call Snellville Heating and Air today, 770-982-9800.